Did y'all see what happened when ex-President Trump left the White House? I couldn't believe that this really happened. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for all the support that you give me. I really do appreciate it. Trump had a little speech as he was leaving the White House. It consists on a whole lot of see how good I did stuff. Well, I'm going to ask this again. If he did such a great job, why is he leaving the White House? Why did we vote him out of office? He went on and on about trying to take the credit for the future growth of the economy. He was going on that it's from things that he did before leaving office. The man is really full of himself still. And he says he hopes Biden don't raise your taxes. But if he does, he said, well, I told you so. Biden has already said he's going to raise taxes for the people making over $40,000 a year. Y'all, when the cameras panned out to the little crowd that was there was no more than 100 people there. I didn't see a single person wearing a mask. Not a single Trump supporter wearing a mask. And when I say not a single one, I mean not a single one. At the end of his little speech, Trump said, y'all have a good life, and I'll see you again soon in some form. He is planning on coming back. Let's just hope he don't do it. I don't think the Republicans will support him, and I know the Democrats won't. So he says he will be coming back in some form. What would that be? Little orange man? He's already done that. Y'all, there was a rumor going around that he was going to some undisclosed command center, secret command center, as he left the White House. That was just a rumor. He was not doing anything like that. He was going to Palm Beach. Y'all, as we know, Donald Trump put a lot of wedges in between him and everyone. He put a wedge between him and the Republicans, his own party. He put a wedge between him and the Democrats. He put a giant wedge between him and the media. So there's no wonder no one wanted to work with him. He put those wedges there. He only has himself to blame. But of course, he's still going on how great he was. The man is he's full of himself. And y'all, I'm not happy that I have to say this, but it's the truth. I voted for Donald Trump. I wanted him to run years before he ran. And I voted for him. And for that, I am deeply sorry. As much as I once wanted him as president, that's how happy I am to see him go now. Maybe we can get on. Maybe we can do something with our country. Maybe we can be as great as we once was. I still believe our country is great. It's just the politicians are not so great. But now that we got a new administration, maybe things will change. We can only hope and pray. We don't know what's going to happen. Joe Biden could be better than Donald Trump. I hope he will be. Or he could be worse. We don't know. Only time will tell. I do know Joe Biden has got a big job to fulfill. And I think he's up to the challenge. I really hope so. And I will give him my 100% support. Y'all, it don't matter who president is. We have to give them our support. The whole world is watching us. We're under a microscope. Everything that, when we bicker back and forth, the whole world is pointing their finger and laughing. Donald Trump made America the laughing stock of the world. I hope Joe Biden can fix that. Yeah, Donald Trump refused to go to the swearing-in ceremony, the inauguration, whatever you want to call it. He refused to go. I mean, he's the first leaving president that has not attended in well over 100 years. But of course, Mike Pence filled in. Well, turnabout's fair play. When he was leaving the White House, there was a handful of people in the crowd. Nobody really wanted to see him off. They was just glad he was leaving. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He's going to get us through all of this. We don't know how, we don't know when, but I know for a fact he will. Y'all please watch the videos popping up here now, and just know I love you all. Ciao.